Hi guys! Unboxing my new Celavive brightening series. Okay, let's start with the Celavive exfoliating mask. So this is the exfoliating scrub and mask. Okay, let's open it. And ta-da! Wow! Look at that! Look at that! Wow, 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 look at that charcoal colored substance there to remove all our impurities from our face. So excited to use this. Next, we have the Light Complexion Serum. It's a brightening serum. Let's see what's inside. Wow, look at that. Wow, you can pump it out, press and pump. And of course, after the serum, we apply the Luminous Moisture Cream. So let's open it up. And the Luminous Moisture Cream, wow, so posh. Like a small spatula inside for hygiene purpose. And the last but not the least, we have the dark spot corrector. So how does it look? Wow. Eye essence. So just squirt a bit and put it on your dark spot, and it's clinically proven to lighten dark spots. Yahoo! I'm so excited to use all of these. Again, this is the Celavive brightening series. Thank you.